Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia and Tigray region is that viewers, it is being said that fighting between the Tigray Defense Force and the central government of Ethiopia continues in the northern Tigray region of Ethiopia, and it is being said that this war is turning into an international war. Because now latest news is that the Tigray army, which took order from the head of the Tigray People Liberation Front, Debretsion Gebremichael, claims that it had captured several districts between Adwa town and Shire. And they claimed that the village between the two cities have been occupied by Tigray Defense Force fighters. Including occupied cities is Salihalika, Vikro town, and many other. Because they said that a huge war is going on between Ethiopian military and Tigray Defense Force. Because on the other hand, it is being said that there is a war going on between Adigeret and Adwa town in many areas. Here's also senior officer of the Tigray Defense Force told the media this morning that hundreds of Ethiopian and Eritrean soldiers have been killed during fighting in Tigray region. Viewers, in previous video I informed you that it is being said that Adwa town, now under the control of Ethiopian and Eritrean military, but now it is being said that war is going on between Adwa town and Adigeret. But now the latest news is that the Tigray Defense Force claims that it had captured several districts between Adwa town and Shire, and they claimed that the village between the two cities have been captured by Tigray Defense Forces fighters. Viewers, so we are the latest update about Ethiopia Tigray crisis. Thanks for watching.